Hey traders on dairy, are you guys tired of losing trades? Are you guys blowing accounts? Are you guys don't know how to milk spikes? So this video only for you. Keep watching till end. So this is an sniper spike trading system. It will help you to understand the real momentum of spike drawdown. So once the arrow appear, you need to open a trade with 3 candles stop loss. Once the trade opened, manually close after 3 candles if there is no spike. Okay, choose any lot size according to your capital. If you have big capital, big lot size, you have smaller capital, you can choose money management. Okay, and what's the accuracy front of you guys? The indicator which is showing the market is going to drop the spike. So here is an arrow signal front of you. Now we are waiting for a spike. So till the spike appear, we may open multiple positions. Look here. We open the one more trade on this index and waiting for a next. Look here. The arrow is 100% non-rapid, non-movable, and once the arrow appears, it stays on the same candle with the signal accuracy of 99%. You just need to follow the arrow, open the trade, and wait for the spike. If there is no spike, after 3 candles, simply go and cut your trade and bear the loss. And wait for next signal to recover your loss and make the profit again. As you guys can see, the second candle is going complete. So the first one after arrow, the first one is completed. Now we are on second candle waiting for a spike. Okay, the third candle will be our stop loss. Okay boys, doodly waiting for spike, so our trade go in profit. As you guys can see, this is the second candle after the arrow signal. Okay, and the third candle will be our last candle. If there is no spike, definitely we will close this trade. Okay, the second candle is going to be completed. Now look here, the third candle is on way. The third candle is on way, guys. If there is no spike, definitely we're going to close this trade, bear the loss, wait for next candle and milk the market and cover the loss. So this indicator, if you want to get, check the description, chat with our team. The guys here to help you. For free signal, join our Telegram group. The link also in description. This is the third candle waiting for a spike. 2 multiple trades are opened. Keep watching guys till the video goes end. We are waiting for a spike. Let's see. The third candle is about to complete. If there is no spike, look here guys. This is the accuracy guys. On third candle, a spike happened and we made awesome profit. We will hold this trade one more. After holding this candle, look here, multiple spikes and we made it. Thanks for watching guys.